let me see. You see the OOTD? Wow. Oops, oops, oops.
Hi guys, welcome back. So ayan, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys ang papers na na-receive ko for my from my US citizenship oath ceremony. So ayan guys, this is the paper guys, the envelope. Paper envelope. And then ipapakita ko sa inyo yung laman ng envelope. So meron dito guys. Ito yung aking certification. And meron guys, flag. Ayan. And then, meron din dito. Ito yung ito yung paper, Pledge of Allegiance. And then, the National Anthem, the Star Spangled Banner. And then, Oath of Allegiance. And meron dito ito ito ayan guys, application for US parang paper na guide for application for a passport once you are US citizen na, and then pwede kang mag-apply na ng passport. So ito yung application paper guide. So ayan guys, meron ditong congratulations on becoming a US citizen. So ayan. And then ito naman for ito naman for voting, voters checklist, things to do before election day, something like that. So that's it guys. Thank you guys for watching. So I'm happy I'm officially a US citizen now.